Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn strings in Python with the help of examples. Till now we have discussed number of the standard data types in Python. In this section of the tutorial we will discuss the most popular data type in Python, that is string. Python is the collection of characters surrounded by single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. The computer does not understand the characters internally. It stores manipulated characters as a combination of zeros and ones. Each character is encoded in the ASCII or Unicode character. So we can see that Python strings are also called the collection of Unicode characters. In Python, strings can be created by enclosing the character or the sequence of characters in the codes. Python allows us to use single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes to create the string. And in Python, strings are treated as a sequence of characters, which means that Python does not support the character data type. Instead, a single character written as single quote P is treated as a string of length 1. Now, creating a string in Python. We can create a string by enclosing the characters in single quotes or double quotes. Python also provides triple quotes to represent the string, but it is generally used for multi-line string or docstring. Let's check out this in an example. We'll try in a code. Let's see with using a single line. String 1 is equal to hello Python and print str1. Now execute. See, we have the result. Now we try with str2. Print str2. See, so both works in the same way, and we can try with triple quotes as well. str3 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Testing, testing data. Print str3. Now let's see what we have. See that hello, from here to here we have a multi-line data. So these are the strings. Now we'll move on to strings indexing and splitting. What is a index? And like other languages, the indexing of the Python string starts from 0. For example, the string hello is indexed as the given figure. Hello. H is 0 and starts with 0. Right, so on it moves further. Now you can see str0 means H, str1 means E, str2 means L, str3 means L, str4 means O. Let's see this in our code. We'll compare this in code. Right, str is equal to hello. Right, Now print str1 sorry, 0. What we have is h hello 0 is 0 is h. Now I'll try to enter 2. Let's see what will happen. Now print str2. So we have L. What we have here for 2 L. So if you use 4 and see what will happen. Print str4. So we have O. Do we have O here? Yes, we have O here. In this way, we can execute. For example, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? What will happen if we use 5? So we have an error. The error is out of range. The index out of range. There is no index 5 there. So by seeing the index error, we should understand what would be the problem. That is the best coder, best designer. As in Python, the slice operator is used to access the individual characters of the string. So for this slicing indexing, we use the square brackets. We can use the colon operator in Python to access the substring from the given string. So we can use the colon as well, right? Let's try using the colon as well. I've gone through far. Just let me go back to a few slides and just, yeah, we need this slide. So let's try this in our code and we'll try to understand it. Print str just a colon. See what will happen. We have the complete hello here, and now we'll print str colon to 5. See what will happen. So we have complete 5 again here. So we have two ways to print it here. The end of the index. Yeah, just we need to print enter the colon. Now we try this one more way. Print str 0 colon. We have hello again, right? Now print str colon till 3. We have hell. Print str colon 02. See what we have here. he here. No. And instead of colon, we can use this 0 here, and we'll have the same answer, right? Now we try print str colon 1 colon 4. Let's see. We have 1 is ELL. This is the answer what we have. Here we must notice that the upper range given in the slice operator is always exclusive. That is, if string hello is given, then string 1 is to 3 will always include string 1 is equal to E, string 2 is equal to L, and nothing, right? Now let's try with another example so that you can deeply understand this. We'll change the string to artificial intelligence. Now, what I need is start 0 index to end. So print str 0 index to end. So we can use this, right? Or we can use 0. Both are same. What we have? We have the 0 to end. Now we try with another example. Starts first index to fourth index. Print str. So 1 till 4. 4 means we need to add up one more. So that will be 5. So we have 5. So when we have fifth index means it will display till fourth. This is the fourth. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we ask for 5, it will minus 1 and display till there. So remember that. Next, starts second index 2, third index. Now print str second to third means we use 4. Next, starts 0 index to second index. Print star 0 to 2 means 3. So we have 0, 1, 2, 8. We try one more. Starts fourth. What do you do? I want complete intelligence. So we'll see what is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. So I need from 11 index till end. So what we can do? Print str 11 colon end. So we have intelligence. This is the way how it's gonna work. Hope you guys are clear with this, right? Now we'll move on to negative slicing. We can do the negative slicing in the string. It starts from the rightmost character, which is indicated as -1. The second rightmost index indicates -2, and so on. Consider this example. See it here. So we start with end of the character, that is O, and starting is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. But in positive indexing, we start with 0. In negative indexing, we start with -1. Just remember that. And you can see on the screen that O stands for -1, L stands for 2, -2, L -3, E -4, H -5, and L -3 to -1. So we have -3 to -1 is LL. This is very hard. Is Let's check this on our code and we'll get we'll try to understand more deeper. Right, we have a string as artificial intelligence. We'll try to print str -1. So what we have -1 is E, this value. Now we'll try to print print str minus 5. So what we have is g minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's try with minus 12. So we have capital I. Perfect. Now we'll do this slicing. So we need minus 12 till end. Print str minus 12 till end. Or we can use till minus 1. Or we can use till nothing. Right. We have the complete one. Now reversing the given string. How do you reverse the given string? Our given string is artificial intelligence. I want that to be reversed. Print str colon minus 1. Now see what would be the result we have it here. So we have the complete artificial intelligence in reverse form. Right. Now try one more. Print str minus 12. See what will happen. Minus 12 is I. We have already tried this here. Right. This this is the easiest way to do this string. This is not that hard to understand. Just focus on the things, and I'm sure you guys can understand it. And there's one more topic: reassigning strings. Updating the content of the strings is as easy as assigning it to a new string. The string object does not support item assignment. That is, a string can only be replaced with new string. Since its constant cannot be partially replaced, strings are immutable in Python. Strings are immutable in Python. Let's see here. String is equal to hello. Right, that's in capital. Right, print str. So we have capital hello. Now str is equal to, I'll use small letters. Now print str. Now what the result should be? Small or bigger? It should be smaller. Right. Now can we delete this string? As we know that strings are immutable, we cannot delete or remove the characters from the string. But we can delete the entire string using the del keyword. Right. Let's try this. Try to delete it. We'll delete the del string. One. What do we have? str does not support item deletion. That means we item string are immutable. We cannot delete or remove the characters. We are trying to delete the first character of the, that is we are trying to delete h. We cannot, right? But at the same time we can delete the string. So we can delete something like this: str, delete str. Now when you try to print str, but we don't have hello there because it has been already deleted. Print str is a class str, that's it, string. Now I'm trying to show you some example. Consider this example to understand the real use of Python operators. Try to be focused on this. These are the simple and small way, but these operators are gonna useful in many ways in your future project. str is hello. str1 is world, print str into 3. Now str is going to be printed 3 times. Next, print str plus str1. Now str and str, I need fourth index. Print str of fourth index. Excuse me. Print str of fourth index. Now I'll execute this code. Now we have the fourth index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 0, right? So I need 2 to 4 in str1. Print str1. I need index 2 to 4 array. This is 2 to 4. Now we can go in different angle as well. For example, print w in str, right? So w is present in str or not? We are trying to check it out. So if you have a bigger paragraph, if you are looking for some sort of word or alphabet, then right. So sorry, I use the comma. So we have a false. We don't have a W in hello, but we can use it as O, and we'll have an answer true, right? We can use it as print W not in CR. This is also another way to check it true. W is not in. It's not there, right? So we can use the triple quotes to accomplish this problem, but Python provides the escape sequence. The backslash symbol denotes the escape sequence. The backslash can be followed by a special character and it interpreted differently. The single quotes inside the string must be escaped. We can apply the same as in double quotes. Now we'll check this out using triple quotes example. So using quotes. Okay. Print 1, 2, 3. They said, "Where are you?" Right. We'll try to execute this. What do we have? They said, "Where are you?" Is there any difference? No. So now I'll change this to they said, "What's there?" No. So what we have here? What's there? For this what's there, we are using these triple quotes. Instead of that, we can use it this way as well. Print single quote. They said, comma, double quote, what slash s going on. But we have it here EOF. Why EOF? One, two. So, okay, we don't want this. Right. Now, they said, what's going on? So we have the same answer for this quotation S. Now, escape double quotes. So how do we escape double quotes? Print, they said, comma, double slash, double quotes, what's going on? End of double quotes, right? So we have double quotes, start double quotes, end of double quotes. We need end of double quotes twice. All right. Uh, we have this set. What's going on? Let's try this again. They said, comma, space, double quote, what's going on, backslash. Here it is. There are three different ways how we can use that, right? We'll get on to our slideshow. Here we have finished this, and let's see. The list of escape sequence is, these are the escape sequence what you have to know. So it's better to remember these escape sequence like forward new line, backslash, single quotes, double quotes, ASCII bell, ASCII backspace, and these are the things. And you have any small examples with this also. You can practice this. So this might help you out, right? Next, we'll move on to the format method. The format method is the most flexible and useful method in formatting strings. The curly braces are used as the placeholder in the string and replaced by the format round brackets method argument. Let us have a look at the example so that you can understand in depth. Let's get in that example for using curly bracket. Print, no, curly bracket, and curly bracket. Both are the best friend, right? Dot format John, comma, Roman. Let's print this out. See what will happen. So what we have, John and Roman both are the best friends. What we have written, flower bracket, curly braces, both are the best friends. Dot format John. So it Python automatically detects John as the first one and Roman as the second one inside the braces. Right. Now we can check this out. Another one. Print colon curly bracket 1 and curly bracket 0. Best place dot format. First one is Virat, and second one is Rohit. Now we'll execute the code. First one is Virat, second one is first one is Virat, zero is Virat, Rohit is one. Rohit and Virat best players. See? So this is called positional argument. Positional argument, right? So we have one more called keyword argument. In keyword argument, how will you find it? Let's see. Curly bracket A, comma, curly bracket B, comma, curly bracket C, dot, format. A is equal to James, comma, B is equal to Peter, comma, C is equal to Mike. Now see, James, Peter, Mike. This is keyword argument. And last one was positional argument. So it's simple and easy, right? Now, string formatting using percentage operator. Python allows us to use the format specifiers used in C's print statement. The format specifiers in Python are treated in the same way as they are treated in C. However, Python provides an additional operator percentage which is used as an interface between the format specifier and their values. In other words, we can say that it binds the format specifiers to the values. Now, we'll check an example so that you guys can understand this much better way. Let's try the example. Right, here, integer is equal to 10, float is equal to 1.290, and string is equal to John. Now, print hi, integer dash dash dash, my value is, here I use percentage d forward slash n. Hi, I am float dash dash dash, my value is percentage f slash n. Hi, I am string dash 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 dash, my value is percentage s colon. Now we have percentage integer float string. No, we, yes. Now I'll execute this code. Let's see what will happen. Name integer is not defined in line 5. So integer I have used small I, so I have to use the capital I. The float is not defined, so float, for float I have to use capital. String s capital. Now you can see it here. Hi, I am integer. My value is this percentage d slash n. So here percentage f slash 1, here percentage s, right, f d. So it's recognized by itself. Right? So this is the end of the string session. So hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you have any doubts, feel free to contact me so via email. Okay, have a good day. Bye.